beneficiaries have been supported. An amount of rupees 6,141 crores has been incurred on this program so far. My government is committed to provide permanent houses to all eligible people by 2024 by providing house sites and houses under Navaratnalu Pedal Andiriki Illu program. Under the program, 30.65 lakh house sites pattas were distributed in the name of women beneficiaries. The value of each such house site is to the tune of 5 to 10 lakhs. So far, 21.25 lakh houses have been sanctioned to the beneficiaries. 4.4 lakh have been completed, and the remaining houses are at various stages of construction. It is also to be noted that all YSR Jagananna colonies are being developed by providing all the required infrastructure facilities like water supply, electricity, approach roads, internal roads, drains, and welcome arches.